Guys, this is the video to learn how to reverse a list in Excel to sort a data in reverse order. So firstly guys, you have to select firstly you have to enter the number like 1 2 and here press enter and insert the number. So now we have two column, one column the name list and second column we have the number list. Now select both from start, both column. Now right click on it and sort. Here select the custom sort. In column select column B and in order you have to select largest to smallest. And like this your data has the header, so select it. If you don't have this type of header, so unselect it, then click on OK. So using this trick you can reverse data in Excel. Thanks for watching and comment on this video useful for you, and if you don't need in this number list, so delete it like this. Please subscribe this channel.